was a little girl, I always loved to sing. But I never knew the good times it would bring. Standing here in front of you means all the world to me. For if you were not here tonight, this moment would not be. Thanks to you, I'm doing what I do. And I love you, for you are so true. You're the air that I breathe. You're all I'll ever need. Thanks to you, well, I'm doing what I do. It's good to see that we are all just one big family, and that we're all here tonight in perfect harmony. Our music is a web of love that keeps our hearts entwined. Well, I hope that they'll keep weaving us